Hot in the fun.
Can't compare to how we got the streets thumped. Ready to take away the credit while you frontin'. In the streets making something out of nothing. Perfect timing got the whole block jumping.
Okay guys, here we are, beautiful sunny afternoon, hot as hell, but this is Thailand. I got an excellent player visiting today, all the way from Los Angeles, correct?
Right.
Sherman Oaks.
Yeah.
And we got brand new balls, Dunlop Ford. Let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Thanks.
That's
Okay,
it.
let's do it.
Try to show you how the underdog feelings wrong. I'm proud to do this shit the hard way, cause that's all I know. I'm proud to show off any growth, even if it's slow. I'm proud to bring it back to life when you feel it go.
Halt doch die Schnauze, Mann! Best point of the day.
I just want you to be proud of me, cause we came so far. Anything you want could be yours with time, no matter who you are. I wouldn't wanna have my story go any other way. To see what I become as a hustler underneath the stars. No contradiction in my heart, just a discipline. Countless nights of going hard, but with a mission in. Get a bad bitch attention like I'm whistling. There's a chance, I'm like, fuck it, I'ma risk it then. You really too comfortable, that's how that feeling, babe. I just show up every day, that's how my bills are paid.